welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. I'm so glad I got a new camera. It makes my life the way easier. So glad to sit and talk about makeup and shows eye makeup. Because I show the whole process how I do makeup in many videos, I feel like that's gonna be boring. So I just want to focus how to do this eye makeup. So I'm gonna show you guys how I create this eye makeup. Although you don't have that much skill for makeup, but if you want to know how to create really easy and nice eye makeup, you are the right place. Anyway, without much further ado, let's jump into it. So basically, I'm gonna use this Stila's eyeshadow. The name of this product is Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and the color name is Coral Crush. I got it yesterday, so you can see it's still intact. I haven't opened it yet, so before filming this video, I just pictured some, coral, kind of peachy, glittery kind of eye makeup, so I hope I can create that look I want. And if you see my nail, please ignore it. I put them yesterday because I want to film, with pretty nails, but it was just gone today in the morning while taking a shower, so oh, it's so glittery. The brush is kind of thick. So I want to create kind of fall vibe glittery eye look. So let me just gonna go ahead. It's really going smoothly on my eyes. And the color is not that too much strong compared to my expectation. It looks like great base eyeshadow. And it goes well compared to the shadow type of eyeshadows, and it's kind of like a really velvety texture, so it's soft. So you can see the color, it's really glittery. It really brightens up my eyes. So I also want to put it in inner corner of my eyes. Oh my god, so pretty. I love it. And the glitter is not too much chunky, so I feel like I can use it daily basis. I mean, sometimes that's really annoying. Pearls everywhere, and whenever I try to remove that, the pearl is still on my face. So I'm definitely gonna use my naked eyeshadow because it's like a kind of peachy vibe. So I'm gonna use this color here, this one. And you can see my love about this eyeshadow palette. There are a lot of dents here. And I'm gonna use this color to give more depth to my eyes. I also want to use this one to brighten up underneath of my eyes. I didn't have the choice to choose the color. They just randomly sent me. So that's the reason why I tested out on this video and just create the look I imagine. So I'm gonna do the same process on the left side. On this screen, that's gonna be the right side, but for me, it's left side. I will be right back. So basically, I finished my eyeliner, but this is I'm really into putting fake lashes. I find some passion in that. This is I'm trying to practice, so I'm gonna put my fake lashes on and I'll be right back. I'm gonna use this guy. So this is the final look I want to share with you guys. I think it turns out pretty well. It's kind of similar with the image I pictured before I filmed, so I'm really happy with it. And this is I'm really into kind of dramatic eye makeup, so this is I'm really into pearly eyeshadows, and I'm also really into this kind of fake lashes. I'm not really good at to put that on my lashes, so sometimes it looks really unnatural. But in this look, I did my job pretty well. I hope you guys like this video. I know this guy is really popular. The color is kind of buildable compared to my first impression. Glow Liquid Eyeshadow is make my eye makeup a lot easier, although I don't have that much like skill. Yeah, so that's a thought on this product. And I hope you guys like this makeup, glittery eye makeup, which I'm really into these days. If you guys are new, I'm Emma. I create fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and fitness related video every week. So if you guys like this content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Anyway, as always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful, great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!